In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature on Docusign in a full step-by-step guide. Whether you're updating your signature for the first time or looking to make a few adjustments, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. Docusign is recognized globally as the leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable platform for managing your digital documents. Once you are on the Docusign homepage, look for the login button and click on it. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Ensure that you're logging in with the correct credentials associated with your Docusign account. If you have your login information ready, this step should take just a moment. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your documents, check notifications, and access various tools. From here, locate your profile icon, which is usually positioned on the upper part of the screen. Click on this icon to bring up a drop-down menu. Next, you need to select Manage Profile from the drop-down options. This will open a new window where you can edit your personal information, manage your subscription, and more. Look for the option labeled Signatures. This is where we'll be making our changes today. Clicking on Signatures will direct you to a dedicated section for managing your saved signatures. Here you can see all the signatures associated with your account, and you'll have the opportunity to make any necessary updates. To proceed, you need to find the Actions button, which will be available within this section. Once you click on Actions, you'll see several options. Go ahead and select Edit. This allows you to modify your existing signature. Considering Docusign's intuitive interface, editing your signature is straightforward. You can either draw a new signature, type it out and customize its style, or even upload a digital version of your handwritten signature for a more personal touch. Take your time to ensure that your new signature appears just how you want it. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, make sure to save your changes before exiting the page. This ensures that all future documents you sign using Docusign will feature your updated signature. And that's it, you've successfully changed your signature on Docusign. Remember, keeping your signature up to date not only reflects your accurate representation, but also maintains the legal integrity of your documents. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and feel free to revisit the video if you need a refresher. Have a wonderful day and happy signing with Docusign.